Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to work on forward inside loops. We're going to start with forward inside edges and try to keep your skating leg bent through whole entire half circle, especially when you bring your free leg through. Now when your free leg going through, try to feel like you brush through, touching your skating boot. This way you're going to have better balance over your skating leg. So you can see here her feet together when she's going through with her free leg. And then second important thing you have to remember to keep your skating leg bent. Right here you can see it while you're bringing your free leg through. That will allow you to keep your hips over your skating leg and keep better balance. Now we're going to just glide as long as you can on forward inside edge and try to get into smaller circle eventually. How you get into smaller circle? You start pressing on the front part of your foot and bringing your feet closer together. If you can't complete loop at this point, it's totally fine. Just try to keep your balance over your skating leg and see how her feet stay closer together. We're going to see this one more time in slow motion. So push, bend your skating leg, then try to bring your free leg in and keep gliding, pressing on the front of your foot to get into smaller circle. Just beginning of your forward inside loop. Next exercise, we're going to do same glide, but you're going to try to stop on the top of the loop, and you can put your toe of your free foot down to the ice and stop just like this to feel top of the loop. You have to understand where you're going to be on the top of your loop with your free leg. So let's see this again. Push, bend your skating leg, bring your free leg in, and that's the top of your loop. Square position, and then after that you're going to bring your free leg through and the shoulders will go in opposite direction. Now we're going to try just stay there and complete double loop. It's almost like you're spinning forward inside with your skating leg slightly bent and free leg staying closer to your skating foot. In this exercise you're going to feel that balance through the two circles you will try to complete. She did better on the other side. This side a little harder for her, but she's still trying to stay over her skating leg and keeping her free leg closer to your skating foot. So for exit from the loop, we're going to do this exercise. You're going to just stay on 2 feet and you're going to roll your hips one way and shoulders other way in same time, almost like you're doing 2-foot turn. Now we're going to try to do actual loop. So pay attention to bend skating leg, bring your free leg closer together, and then after the top of the loop, your shoulders will go into opposite direction while your hips continue to go on a circle. That last part is very difficult. Most common mistake is when you want to go all the way up and help with your skating leg to exit your loop. But you should stay down and control your balance over the front of your foot. And then you can practice back to back to get that feeling of moving your shoulders into the circle at the beginning of the loop and then out of the circle at the end of the loop. So your hips will go forward in the direction of your circle and your shoulders will go in opposite direction. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to check my forward outside loop videos and subscribe to my channel.